Lesson 2.11 General method of drawing regular polygons. So this will work for square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Okay, first we will do square like this sample. Okay, it's many steps, but after you can find the steps, you can do any shape. Okay, so starting, we just simply need line AB. Okay, this will be our baseline. Any length, it's not important. Okay, A, B. If you have a square, I'm going to use paper because it's better than my scale. Okay, if you have a square, you want to draw perpendicular line. Okay, like so. Then we will take our compass and we want distance to AB. Okay, I need some more, little more. Okay, we are going to arc from A up to our perpendicular line. We need to extend just a small way, just a small bit. Okay, this is point P. Now we want to bisect, that's like find the midpoint of AB. Okay, so to bisect a line, we take our compass. Remember, we're doing arc method, so it should be more than half. Okay, put in B, arc up, arc down. Put in A, arc down, arc up. We have two crosses now. We don't need to draw below. Actually, we just need, but we should be sure it is straight, connecting these two crosses. Then we come up. Okay, then actually we are finished with this mark and we don't need all of this extra. Okay, next we want to connect A to P, straight line. Okay, this intersecting point, see AP line is intersecting with this midline. This is our new point. This one is 4. We will need this point to make a square. This point of intersection is 6. We need that point to make a hexagon. So it's the 6. Okay, we also want to find a midpoint. So we can do 5 for a pentagon. So again we are bisecting line 4, 6. Okay, so this compass needs to decrease in size. We just want more than half. It should not be really long, just more than half. Okay, put in the 6, arc up, arc down, put in the 4 this way and that way. Okay, now we can create a new line. This is a bisecting line for 46 and we don't need this crosses now. Just need the middle section because that is 5. This is 0.5, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Okay, even we don't need all of this now. That was just so we could find our 0.4. Okay, so now we are making a square. So we want 0.4 our midpoint. So we should make our compass distance from 4 to A. That is the radius of our circle. Okay, Once it's correct, place it carefully. Okay, we will go round. Okay, you can see it's touching point P, B, A. Already we almost have a square. So we need to make this compass the length of AB because that is the side of our square. Okay, that's done. So start in A and you're going to arc on the circle. Okay, all we need is that point of crossing. Now we will finish our square. So we have one side, two side. We will connect here. Now we have three sides. And finally connect our P to that cross point. Now you have a square and you can remove all extra marks. Now from this same thing we can do a pentagon. Just we will do 5 as our midpoint. So you can do all those steps: A to B, perpendicular line, that is P, connect A to P, bisect line AB to get this perpendicular line, and this cross point our AP, and midline cross point is 4. This arc, we did arc from A to P, that cross point is 6. Okay, then we bisected 4, 6 to find midpoint 5. So we want a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides, so I will use point 5. We need to make our compass the distance from 5 to A. Little bit. Okay, then again we go around. You can see it's bigger because there are more sides, but still it's crossing A and B because that is the length. Okay, so same method, we want this length from A to B. Now we only have one side, before we had two. Okay, A to B. So we start with A and we will arc, then we go to this arc, we will do again, then once more put in this arc, and again, and you can see our last side, that arc to B. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. We just need to draw that way. So this is crossing our circle at that point, and connect these. And again, and last side to make our pentagon. Okay, see, now from those same steps we've created a pentagon. You can do again with a hexagon. You will put your compass the length of A to 6 and you will draw a circle. Then AB is our line length still, so we put our compass back to AB and mark each point for the 6 sides. Okay, if you want to do for heptagon and octagon, then just we need to create a 7th point and 8th point on the line, and it's again the same steps. So we should find what is our distance from 4 to 5. Okay, that is our distance, looks correct, that goes to 6. So we put in 6 and mark. Okay, this is our 7th point. We will do a circle from 7. If you want to create a heptagon, same distance, put in 7, mark that is for 8. Okay, so you can see again we would do same steps. We would take length A to 8, that is the radius, make a big circle. Okay, then AB is one of your 8 sides, so put your compass to that length and arc, 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 arc all the way around. Same steps.